Welcome to Commercial Arithmetic class. So as I said in the previous class, we will be studying surrender value in today's class. So let us see problems based on the surrender value. So the fifth problem is, a person surrenders his life insurance of rupees 12,000 after paying 5 annual premium at rate of rupees 28.50 per thousand. What surrender value does he get at 33.1/3% on the premiums paid excluding the first year premium? So first let us calculate the annual premium, which is rate into policy amount by 1000. So here we are taking in the denominator as 1000 because they have given per thousand. So the rate is calculated for 1000. So the annual premium would be, here the rate is 28.50 and the policy amount is 12,000. Therefore the annual premium is 28.50 into 12,000 by 1000, which is rupees 342. Now let us calculate total premium paid in 5 years. That is 342 into 5, which is rupees 1,710. And in the question they have given, we have to exclude the first year premium. That is rupees 1,710 minus 342, which is rupees 1,368. Or else, instead of taking 5 years, you can less 1 year, and in place of 5 you can multiply by 4. That is annual premium into 4 years. So we will get the answer as rupees 1,368. So we know the formula for surrender value as total premium into the given percentage on the premium, that is 33 to 1/3% in this case. Therefore the total premium is rupees 1,368 and 33 by 1/3 is nothing but, so this is 33 into 3, which is 99, and plus 1, which is 100 by 3, and this is 100 by 3, and we have percentage, which is again multiplied by 1 by 100, so we get 100 by 300. Therefore the surrender value would be 1,368 into 100 by 300, which is rupees 456. So the sixth question is, a person surrendered his life insurance of rupees 20,000 after paying 7 annual premiums at rate of rupees 35.50. What surrender value does he get at 33.33% of the premium paid excluding the first year premium? So even this is a similar problem like the fifth problem. So first is, let us calculate the annual premium, that is rate into policy by 1000. The rate is rupees 35.5 and the policy amount is 20,000. Therefore the annual premium would be rupees 710. Now the total premium paid for 6 years is, that is annual premium paid is for 7 years, and in this we have to exclude the first year premium. Therefore total premium paid would be for 6 years. So total premium can be calculated as annual premium into number of years, that is rupees 710 into 6, which is rupees 4,260. Now the surrender value would be the total premium into the percentage given, which is rupees 4,260 into 100 by 300, which is rupees 1,420. So this is your surrender value. So the seventh question is, a person pays a premium at rupees 18.50 per thousand every 6 months on his life insurance policy of rupees 7,000. He surrenders the policy after paying premiums for 4 years. What cash amount does he obtain if the surrender value granted by the corporation is 35% of the premiums paid excluding the first year premium? So here they have given the rate as rupees 18.50 per 1000 every 6 months. So therefore the rate would be 18.50 into 2, because every 6 months, that is in a year, it will be, the premium will be paid for 2 times. Therefore the rate is rupees 37. So we are calculating rate for an year, which is 18.50 into 2, which is rupees 37. Now let us calculate annual premium, which is rate into policy amount by 1000. So we got the rate as rupees 37 and the policy amount is 7000 by 1000, which is rupees 259, and the total premium for 3 years is 259 into 3, which is rupees 777. Here we have to exclude the first premium from the number of premiums paid. Therefore we got total premium for 3 years. Now the surrender value is total premium into rate, which is 777 into 35%, which is 777 into 35 by 100, because we are converting percentage, which is rupees 271.95. So this is the surrender value. So in this question they have given rate instead of year, they have given it as in terms of 6 months. So in other questions the rate would be rupees 18.50 per 1000 per year, but here instead of a year they have given every 6 months. Therefore we have to calculate rate as in terms of 1 year, which is 18.50 into 2, and then we can go in the usual method, that is we have to calculate annual premium and then we have to find total premium and then the surrender value. So the 8th problem is, a policyholder surrenders his policy of rupees 8000 after paying 6 annual premiums at rate of rupees 30.12 per 1000. What does he get if the corporation grants him a surrender value of 35% of the premiums paid excluding the first premium? Here the annual premium is again rate into policy by 1000 and the rate given is 30.12 and policy amount is 8000. So here it is for per 1000, therefore in the denominator we have 1000, and annual premium would be rupees 240.96. And then let us calculate total premium for 5 years, which is annual premium minus the first year premium, which is 240.96 into 5, which is rupees 1204.8. Therefore the surrender value would be rate into total premium, and here the rate is 35% and the total premium is 1204.8. So 35 by 100 into 1204.8 is rupees 421.68. So this is the surrender value at the rate 35% for the total premium 1204.8 rupees. So in the next video we will solve some more problems on life insurance. So that's it for today's class. Thank you.